everyone, Kaylee, your friendly neighborhood hairstylist here, and today I'm going to show you how to do some claw clip hairstyles. Basically, as soon as I mentioned this claw clip on my channel, a lot of people started asking for claw clip hair tutorials. So here we are. If you missed the past couple of videos, this is part of the kit that I have on Kitsch.com with the shower cap that I designed with them. It's beautiful, it's wonderful. If you missed any about that, linked above. I do have an update for you guys. First off, they do have a Black Friday sale going on until the 27th, and it is for 25% off the entire site, including my cap and the kit. You know, just in case you guys love a discount as much as I do. Announcement number 2, you guys came so hard in the first 3 days that we actually sold out of the blush microfiber towel. So to continue offering you guys the kit of the hair towel, the shower cap, and the clip, we decided to sub in another towel. This is the same make and texture of the pink one. It's just a different print. This is their palm print. This is really beautiful. I own it in addition to my pink one, which is why I had it on hand today. So I think you guys will like it just as much. I just wanted to update you guys so you know what's up when you go on the website. That being said, let's get into some claw clip hairstyles. I'm going to do as many as I can to give you guys max amount of inspo. I am going to start with some half updos, and this one is a nice simple one. Pick up all the hair that you want in your half updo and then twist it in one direction. Then clip it in place. There you go. First hairstyle, quick, easy, and done. As a somewhat obvious addendum, you could also move the clip higher so that it holds the twist instead of being under it. And now for this next hairstyle, I'm also going to use a little clear elastic to help everything come together. I feel like sometimes the claw clip can just be an accessory. It doesn't have to be like the thing that holds the entire hairstyle together. So we're going to take that same section we've been taking. Now I'm going to secure it with a clear elastic, and I'm going to leave it looped on the last rotation. And I'm going to put the claw clip in above that, so I'm going to loosen up the hair over this little chignon we made, and then clip it in. And there you go, a way to wear a chignon with a claw clip. Okay, now let's change it up a little bit, shall we? I'm gonna grab a large section from each side of my head, and then I'm gonna cross one over the other in the back. And secure in place with the clip. Now this clip is actually metal, which makes it a little on the heavier side, especially if you have fine or thin hair. If you have thick hair, probably not gonna be a problem. But if you need help with that, here is my first tip. When you open it and put it against your head, just go in little circles before you close. That helps to net the hair around each of the teeth so that when you close, it has more to hold on to. Another tip I've been using for all the previous hairstyles is just use large sections of hair. If you have a lot of hair for the clip to stick into, then the weight isn't a problem either. Now I want to go back to our same giant section, and I'm going to try doing a bun. I actually haven't tried this one off camera yet, but I think it could be cute. So I'm just going to take this and twist it and wrap it in a bun. It's kind of up to you. You could leave some down or not. Just kind of depends on what you like. Let's try leaving some down. And just clipping this into the side. I'm going to do a little circles on this side and then close it. Yeah, she's cute. Okay, I'm into it. Now that we've done it with part of the hair hanging down, let's try it with the whole bun. I like doing this like on kind of an angle so that it's not straight at the top or straight at the side. Oh, hey, that's cute too. And then I have one more half updo idea, and that would be a braided option, obviously. I'm gonna start at the crown of my head and take a couple big sections until I have that half updo together. Then braid a couple inches normally and then secure it with the claw. And now we pull the braid apart at the top. And there you go, braided hair and a claw clip. And I think this is a wonderful time to transition into the updos because I think this one could make a fantastic updo as well. Okay, let's say you did the braid, but you didn't put the claw clip in. You could then pick up the rest of your hair, twist it slightly, and wrap it into a bun. And it looks like my ends are going to end up in the top left diagonal of the bun, which is perfect because I can put the clip there. If your ends don't end in the place where you'd like to put the clip, you can always kind of twist the bun around to make it work for you. And there you go, a braided updo with just a claw clip. And now for the bun. Basically, you just bring your hair together, twist it, and wrap it into a bun. But you know, just to start, let's just wrap half of it into a bun and leave the tail down, clip that in place. Not gonna lie, I'm into this. I think it's a cute way to get kind of like a ponytail twist look. And then of course you can always finish the bun and make sure that wherever the ends are is where you put the clip. And there's the bun. This is actually one of my go-tos with the claw clip. I think it's just very simple and beautiful and effortless. Oh man, it sounds like Crazy O'Clock came early today. Pippin's kind of a drama king, so whenever he plays, he gets very loud. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Robin, that's my camisole. Thanks. What am I gonna have to do so I can finish filming my video? Hold you the whole time? Oh, I love you too. All right, go play in a different room so I can finish filming. Now for the next one, we're going classic. Gonna twist the hair, and after twisting a few times, I'm going to pick it up, and you see that the hair is starting to kind of wrap around right there. What you do is you keep twisting, kind of slide the hair up the twist, and then you just take the twisted end over and around. You can decide whether you want a ducktail or not. I'm gonna go with not. I'm just gonna bend it over and tuck it under the twist, and now we clip everything in place. And for my final one, I'm just going to do a braid. I also realized I forgot to intersperse my cute little tips for using a heavier clip throughout the video as much as I meant to. Whoops. So here they are. First of all, clip into a lot of hair. Did that. Do the little circles. Did that. Use a ponytail holder to help you out. Also did that with the chignon. Basically, whenever you put the hair together already, then it's already kind of got a foundation for the clip to grab into. 5 is to make the hair tight in a tight twist, a tight bun, or even a tight ponytail, because that gives the clip a lot to hold on to. And finally, number 6 is to tease, because that also creates a base to clip into, which is what I'm gonna do for this one. I'm just gonna pick up the top of my hair and back comb, and then I'm gonna grab this section underneath here and really go in at the root. So now for this one, I want a piecier look on the side, so I'm gonna take my fingers like bear claws, rake my hair back, and then in the back here, just kind of hold it all together and pin it as it naturally fell. And that teasing is holding it super securely. And hey, this is an extra little half up, half down style. And now we're gonna create a braid. You can do a fishtail if you want. I'm just gonna do a normal one. And finish it off with an elastic and then pull it apart. And there you go, a braid with a clip. And bonus points, this whole pulling the hair back into a clip thing pulls your hair back like a French braid would, but it's a lot easier. And with that, I think I'm done. I don't know how many hairstyles I did at this point, but I feel like we got a lot of inspo out there. Hope that you guys enjoyed it because it was very, very requested, and I hope I gave you guys the inspo you were looking for. Just as a reminder, my shower cap and kit are available on mykitsch.com, and you can get them for 25% off with code GRATITUDE25. I would go ahead and tell you guys to get one if you want one, because we have been selling through really fast, and this is like a one-time release, so once it sells out, it's gone. And yeah. And on that note, thank you guys so much for making this a really successful launch. It warms my heart quite a bit and it makes me really excited for future projects. If you have gotten your item or you get it very soon, don't forget to post it on social media and tag me so I can see. I cannot wait to see all your faces in the shower caps. It's gonna be so exciting. So I will be on the lookout for that, and I might repost you if you do. Just saying. So that's it for today. I'll be back next week with another video, and I'll see you then. Mwah! Bye! Do you ever, this is probably unique to me, but do you ever do a hairstyle and you're like, it looks really good from this angle? Can everyone please approach me from this angle for the entirety of the day? Oh yes, hello Julie, how are you doing today? Yeah, I'm doing well too.